According to the simulation, this small planet is expected to hit the Earth in 2038. The diameter of this small planet is expected to be between 60 to 800 meters. The probability of hitting the Earth is 72%. Considering its size and possible impact, it is enough to cause extensive regional damage. Although there is a 14-year warning period, it can be prepared to deal with the possibility of a small planet hitting the Earth. But the conclusion of the exercise is that human beings do not have enough technology and ability to effectively prevent such disasters. Initial observation is not enough to determine the specific size of the small planet to form the composition or accurate orbit. In addition, the small planet will pass from the back of the Sun along its orbit in the next 7 months. This will make it impossible to observe it directly from the Earth. This exercise covers several key challenges in planet defense. One of them is that the current technology and ability to effectively change or interfere with the movement trajectory of small planets in a short time is limited. The current technical options, such as dynamic shock absorbers or nuclear devices, require years of development and testing to determine their practical capabilities in defending small planets. In addition, in the event that a small planet may hit the Earth, the international community needs to cooperate and coordinate closely. Because once a small planet hits the Earth, it will have an impact on the world, not just in some areas. The recent exercise reminds the global government to prioritize the importance of planet defense. Although the threat of a small planet hitting the Earth is rare, it does exist. And on February 15, 2013, a meteorite explosion occurred in the sky of the Russian city Chelyabinsk. The explosion of this meteorite was very powerful, even more powerful than a nuclear explosion. It caused many windows to break, causing about 1,200 people to be injured. All the incidents of small planets hitting the Earth remind us that the threat of small planets to the Earth is very real. We need to continue to improve our ability to deal with this threat. In addition, recently a small planet named 2024 BSE in Germany was successfully predicted and tracked by the U.S. Space Agency. This small planet did not cause any damage when it entered the atmosphere of the Earth. And this situation also shows the actual ability and effectiveness of the U.S. Space Agency in planet defense. However, the recent international planetary defense exercises have caused people to pay attention and worry about how to effectively deal with the real threat of small planets hitting the Earth. The U.S. Space Agency's Planetary Defense Officer Lindley Johnson concluded through the participation exercise. In order to more effectively deal with the potential threat of small planets hitting the Earth, we need to know as much as possible about the size and trajectory of small planets. This information is extremely important for the accurate assessment and prediction of the potential impact of small planets on the Earth. It can help to avoid the potential disasters caused by unknown factors. This exercise shows that in terms of natural disasters such as preparation and response to small planets hitting the Earth, the international community still needs to strengthen cooperation and preparation. So do you think our human scientific technology is capable of dealing with the small planets that may hit the Earth in the future? Please leave your different opinions in the comment section. Thank you for watching patiently.